And as a CRO of this company, when I meet customers, and I meet customers every day, the question that I get is, okay, Miguel, this is all good. I mean, you guys are doing a lot of things, but where do I start? The answer is start with service. Why service? Because you all have customers, you all have employees, you all need to answer the questions. They have needs, they have questions, and this has a big ROI. So bring agentic service to all your channels, your website, all your surfaces, your phone line, your apps, anything, bring it there. That's what we did. We started about 18 months ago, 2 years ago. We brought this help agent, Agentforce, we brought it to our website. This is for the technical support. We receive nearly 100 million visits a year, and we channel all of them through help at help.salesforce.com. The experience there wasn't great before. You would go there, you would try to browse through hundreds of pages. Then you would have to find the knowledge article that answers your question. We have, anybody knows how many knowledge articles we have? Okay, this is not a Q&A, but we have 700,000 knowledge articles, okay? So to find the right one for you is pretty daunting. And if you couldn't find the information, there was like a button on the page, you would click the button, it would open a case, and then that case would go into a routing engine, and if you're lucky, you get a call back from a human after a few days. That was not a great experience. By the way, this is the experience that most companies have today. What we did now, if you go to our website, help.salesforce.com, you're greeted by a help agent, Agentforce. It asks you, what do you need? What do you want? You type. For now, you type, and you say, well, I need this and that. The agent does everything for you. Within seconds, gives you the answer. If the agent cannot give you the answer, no problem. And this is a difference between, everybody has now an agent on the website. Our agent not only understands you, if you're authenticated, knows everything about you, but also, if he doesn't get the answer, hands you off immediately to a human, preserving the whole context of that conversation so that you don't have to explain everything again to the human what happened.